Matteo Salvini has warned European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen Italy could be the next country to quit the EU unless the bloc gets a radical overhaul, and warned if it came to a choice between his country and the EU, Brussels would be the inevitable loser. And he followed his remarks up with warm words of praise for UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, tipping him to make a success of Britain's departure from the EU. Mr. Salvini, leader of the right-wing Lega Party, has struck a defiant stance in the wake of the Italian Senate's decision to allow him to be prosecuted for forcing migrants to stay on board a rescue ship when he was Interior Minister last year, a post from he subsequently resigned after a spat with Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte. Speaking live on his Facebook page on Saturday in a clear reference to Brexit, Mr. Salvini said, "Either we change the rules of this Europe or we will do the same as the British. Either we change the rules of this Europe from inside or, as a fisherman from Bagnara Calabria told me, we do the same as the British. Either the rules change or it is useless to stay in a cage where they prevent you from being a fisherman, a doctor, a researcher." Hours later, he adopted a somewhat more conciliatory tone, while taking a swipe at Mr. Conte. Mr. Salvini said, "We work towards the Conte exit, this is the emergency that our country lives. Do I want to leave Europe? No. I am working to make Italy better inside Europe, but if I had to choose with a gun pointed at my forehead, who would I save, the European Union or Italy and the Italians? Italy and the Italians would be my answer without a doubt." The next day, he returned to the subject, saying, "We have been working for years to change the rules of Europe from the inside, those rules damage the Italian economy. I am tired of seeing Italian companies die. Brexit is the sign that democracy in Britain is being respected, which does not happen in Italy. Then the facts will tell us if it goes well or wrong. Boris Johnson is not silly and I think it will not go wrong." Mr. Salvini's fellow senators voted to lift his immunity as a politician in order to allow Italy's Tribunal of Ministers can decide if he effectively held 131 migrants hostage aboard an Italian Coast Guard vessel in July 2019. With Mr. Salvini insisting he would be happy to stand trial for what he claimed was his defense of Italy's borders, senators from his anti-migrant league skipped the vote. Speaking last week, Mr. Salvini downplayed the suggestion that he was on the extreme of Italian politics. He told reporters, "We are not the radical right. We don't have ambitions to be presented as the radical right in Italy. 1 in 3 Italians vote for the League, so it is clear that the party needs to talk to everybody, not just the